Mr. Thomas Bilby, a soldier in the Coldstream Guard Army, was converted in the army camp and became a pious Christian. There were several other soldiers who were also ardent Christians in the same regiment. These Christian soldiers were often observed by the other soldiers who were curious to know how the Christian soldiers behave and speak in a given situation. They observed that the Christian soldiers, including Thomas Bilby, were behaving extremely well, speaking with love and kindness, serving with a lot of joy. They also observed how the Christian soldiers helped each other with words such as watch, careful, be cautious, so that the person concerned may not fall into temptation of saying a lie or getting angry or saying a word that hurts the other, and so on. In other words, Thomas Bilby and the Christian soldiers were trying to uphold the values taught by Jesus Christ. Watching and waiting are not new things for us. We experience them very often. Watching and waiting become pleasant moments, pleasant occasions when we await for someone we love or something special. Advent is a time of watching and waiting. We wait for the Lord who loves us and whom we love. Hence, our watching and waiting are indeed pleasant moments. Watching and waiting for the Lord involves the act of making ourselves worthy of receiving Him with pure heart and soul. That is why the Catholic Church stresses on the need to be mindful of our conduct, our temper, our words and deeds. Truly, we need to wait for the Lord with a sincere love, extreme patience, earnest perseverance. With these thoughts in mind, let us enter into the season of Advent and wait for the Lord. Amen.